Hello and welcome to Wellness Life Guru podcast. I am Kriti and in this episode I am going to discuss with you how to stop coughing at night. Coughing at night can be disruptive to your sleep and overall well-being. It can be caused by various factors such as allergies, respiratory infections, postnasal drip, or even acid reflux. Here are some strategies to help you stop coughing at night. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids throughout the day to keep your throat moist. Dry air can irritate your throat and trigger coughing. Number 2. Elevate your head. Use extra pillows to elevate your head while sleeping. This can help reduce postnasal drip and acid reflux, which can both cause nighttime coughing. Number 3. Use a humidifier. Adding moisture to the air in your bedroom with a humidifier can soothe your throat and reduce coughing, especially if the air is dry. Number 4. Avoid allergies. Dust mites, pet dander and pollen can trigger nighttime coughing if you are allergic to them. Make sure your bedroom is clean and free from these allergens. Number 5. Avoid irritants. Avoid smoking and exposure to second-hand smoke. Also, try to minimize exposure to strong odors and pollutants as they can irritate your airways. Number 6. Warm salt water gargle. Gargling with warm water can soothe an irritated throat and reduce coughing. Number 7. Over-the-counter medications. Over-the-counter cough medicines or antihistamines may help suppress coughing. However, use them only as directed and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health conditions or taking other medications. Number 8. Avoid large meals before bed. Eating a heavy meal right before bedtime can increase the risk of acid reflux, which can lead to coughing. Try to have your last meal at least 2-3 hours before going to bed. Number 9. Throat lozenges or hard candy. Sucking on throat lozenges or hard candy can help soothe an irritated throat, reducing the urge to cough. Number 10. Steam inhalation. Inhaling steam from a bowl of hot water or taking a warm shower before bedtime can help moisten your airways and ease coughing. Number 11. Allergy medications. If allergies are causing your nighttime cough, consider taking allergy medications as recommended by a healthcare professional. Number 12. Consult a healthcare professional. If your cough persists for more than a few weeks, is severe, or is accompanied by other concerning symptoms such as fever, chest pain, and difficulty breathing, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment. Remember that the effectiveness of these strategies can vary depending on the underlying cause of your cough. If your nighttime coughing continues or worsens despite trying these remedies, seek medical advice for a more targeted approach to managing the problem. Thanks for listening to me. If you want to get more content like this, then you can visit our website wellnesslifeguru.com. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye bye.